Welcome back to my channel, Therapist Dilemmas. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation. To begin, get yourself in a seated, comfortable position. Rest your hands either by your side or gently on your lap. For this exercise, you can have your eyes open or closed, whatever is most comfortable for you. We will begin with several deep inhale in and exhale. Inhale in and exhale. Inhale in and exhale. One more deep inhale in and exhale. Allow your eyes to float close or fixate on a spot on the wall. Bring your attention to your nostrils. Notice the air entering and exiting your nose. Notice the temperature of that air. Notice the air flowing in through the nose, through your head, down your body, into your lungs. Focus on the breath. If your mind begins to wander, gently notice and acknowledge the thought, and then allow the thought to dissipate and bring your awareness back to the breath. Deep inhale in and exhale. Allow your breath to return to normal. Bring your awareness to the nose. If your body becomes restless, gently notice the restlessness, and then bring your attention back to the nose. If necessary, utilize your deep breath to release the tension within your body. Inhale in and exhale, relaxing the body further and bringing your awareness back to the nose. Deep inhale in and exhale. Relax further and bring your awareness back to the nose. focusing on the breath, focusing on the air. Deep inhale in and exhale. Deep inhale in and exhale. As you begin to feel your mind in this peaceful space, slowly allow your body to come back to awareness. Notice the noises around you, the seat beneath you, your body grounded. And take a deep inhale in and exhale. And when you're ready, gently float your eyes open. Thank you for taking your time to do this short guided meditation. I hope you feel refreshed and have a great day.